It was enacted to address concerns about violence, intimidation, and harassment faced by lawyers while performing their professional duties. The Act also includes provisions for the welfare of advocates, such as access to healthcare and financial assistance. Key features of the Act: protection from violence. The Act defines acts of violence against advocates and establishes penalties, including fines and imprisonment. Non-bailable offense. Acts of violence against lawyers are categorized as non-bailable offenses, and specific trial procedures are outlined. Expedited investigations and trials. The Act mandates expedited investigations and trials for offenses against advocates. Protection of privileged communications. It protects privileged communications of advocates from disclosure. Welfare provisions. The Act includes provisions for companies to engage advocates as legal advisors, healthcare facilities for advocates and their families, and financial assistance for families of advocates killed in the line of duty. Compliance with international standards. The Act aligns with the basic principles on the role of lawyers adopted by the United Nations. Purpose. The primary goal of the Act is to ensure that lawyers can perform their professional duties without fear of violence, intimidation, or harassment. This is seen as crucial for upholding the rule of law and ensuring access to justice. The Act aims to create a safe and secure working environment for legal professionals. It seems there was an error with the request. Please provide the text or script you'd like me to rephrase, and I'll be happy to help you with that.